Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to enable Hsts on your website using Cloudflare to make your site safer and faster. Start by logging into your Cloudflare dashboard and select the domain you want to secure. Go to SSL/TLS, then click Edge Certificate. Scroll down to HSTS and click Enable HSTS. Check the box to confirm you understand and click Next. Turn Enable HSTS on, set the max age to either 6 or 12 months, and optionally enable Include subdomains if all subdomains use HTTPS. If you want, enable preload to make browsers always load your site over HTTPS and turn on No Sniff header for extra security. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. That's it. Your site is now secure with Hsts, protecting visitors and building trust. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy website tips.